I'm going to show you how to make a Baha Banana Boat Margarita. Now, you have a couple of options here. You can do this in the blender and do it as a daiquiri, or you can do it neat or on the rocks. I'm going to show you how to do it on the rocks. All right, start off, fill your glass about 3/4 of the way with ice. Then you're going to add in 2 ounces of tequila. That's 1 and 2. Next, you're going to add in 1 ounce of creme de banana. Alrighty. Lastly, we're going to add in about 2 ounces of sour mix. And we're going to go ahead and shake this up. Alright. A highball glass. And go ahead and pour that in. And again, like I said, you can do this as a blended drink in a daiquiri glass, or as I've done it, on the rocks, or you can do it neat. It's up to you, but either way, enjoy your Baha Banana Boat Margarita. Cheers.